Okay, now we are going to discuss about how we program our uh, product sorting and pagination part. We can sort by using a title and by active time and quantity and condition. We can see we can sort from those element, and let's see how we uh, done that process. First we uh, got our input field IDs like short product and active time. Active time input field, we get that ID n in JavaScript. When we click short button, we have to start a machine that machine name as short, and we pass the value as 0. Mm, uh, in that machine, we have that parameter in bracket, and our machine we got the all element which we short need. We can see we have got that input field, search input field as S and ID. Then active time, newest to oldest, check uh, radio. We have to get as N, which this ID, and oldest to newest, O, and same we have got other elements by the IDs, and we got all the elements, and we have to set that in that time value. We have to consider which time user select, is that this one or this one. Therefore we have a logic. We set 0 for first to time variable, and we checked is that input field uh, is checked. If it is checked, uh, this one, then we have got that n by n. If it is checked, we have to assign a value to time as 1. If it is not, then we have set value to 2. That's mean that user have select this one. Else if we have used that else if, because user haven't, if select, we don't need to change that value. Then we have to do same thing to quantity, because we have to radio button to consider which one is select. Therefore we use same theory to this quantity button, radio, and same thing to condition. And we have set a form, and we set all values which we get search and time and quantity and as a name value where we append that uh, to that form. We have that value and time we checked is there 1 or 2 or 0 that values, and we have sent that page which page we are in by using these pages. We have to get that page by using that parameter. In that parameter also we send. Then we have set a HTML request, and we send to it our short process. We can see how the short process is programmed. First, uh, we have our session start function. Then we require our connection PHP, and by using our use session u, we got the email address that user and assign that one as email, and we have got those values came by JavaScript in post method, and we assign those variable. Then we have a parent query because we have many short conditions. Therefore, we have a parent query, and we add child queries to that parent to short which our user has expecting. Then we have that parent query. We select all from product using our user email, and we got all the product by the user who logged in. Then we checked if not empty the search value, then we have add the part to this parent query. To add that, we have dot and equal to add that part to this parent query, like a concatenating. Then we have and title like we have set a wildcard to that title. This part we can select if the user select CA, then we have that one. If use the single one character, we can see we can search from that character, and therefore we if user select those middle one ME, we can show we have that ME from that wildcard. We add that to parent column. If it is not empty, then condition also condition not equal to 0. Then if it is 1 mean in our table in condition, our condition, we can see if it is one is new condition. Condition is new. If it is two, condition as used. If it is not zero, then it is should be one or two. Then we concat this part to our parent query condition and which condition user expecting. Then we have our time, if it is new to old or old to new. One mean new to old. Therefore, if time not equal to 0, then we checked is time that equal to 1. 1 mean 1 to new to oldest. If user select that one is value as 1. Then if it is 1, we add to concat to parent query this part that order by date time added in our database. We can see product, and in product we have date time added. If is date time added new, then we have order that one descending, because the value is higher one came to up by using the descending order. Higher values goes to down, and newest one is come to up by considering about time. Then we have that one. If it is 2, that mean old to new. Then we said that ascending order, that's mean the small time, that mean previous time, and previous to next time we have to order. That's how we, that part programmed. Then we have quantity and time. If user select those two, because we can't use order by term to twice in our query. Therefore, we if user select this one time any 1 or 2, that's mean our query has one order by, if it can descending or ascending. Then user select quantity again. Then we have to check if time is equal to 0. That's mean time is not selected. That time we have checked. If time is 1 or 2, we have that one. We have that one or this one. Therefore, we have to check this query should run only time is 0. Then we have that quantity same method as our time, and we have next one, and in that one we have checked if it is quantity and time are selected. if it is those two have selected, we have to we have that means we have one of these part in our query. Therefore we can't add uh, another order by. Therefore we select comma to order that quantity uh, if it is descending or ascending by user selection. That's how we short our product as our user requirement. Then we have our pagination part. We can see if we clear that one, we can when we select sorting process, and we can next time can get back pages. Therefore we set that part, and we have done we set our shorten process to particular page in that those lines, and we have uh, inner HTML to our short element. Short element is the we can see in our short process. Yeah, it's a short. We remove all those one, and we replace those two lines which we had set in our process. Those two we have replaced to this two by using that id short, by using our script and using that document and get element that element, and we set in HTML as our response text by passing this text in our short process. Let's see how the short process is programmed. We have first our div classes, and in a PHP script we look at if it is not equal to 0, which we send that page page value in the our script, this page value, that means that x, if it is 0, not equal to 0, if it is 0, then we don't do anything to that one. If not equal to 0, we have set that page number as 1. If it is not equal to 0, we set that page number as our as value value in that page that page. Then we have product result set and our parent query. then our parent query, we have all those parent and child query, and that query equal, then we search about using those full query that can get any of these, and we have that query and searching by that query, then we checked how many rows are there and to display that one, and we have number of pages by using that uh, seal function, and we divide that product, every product in that search, and we have uh, the our result per page. Maximum we can show 5. Therefore, we set as a 5, and we can see only 5 numbers of item in one page, and we have page result. Uh, Page result as page number, page number -1, page results, and we have that page number, and we 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 have deduct 1 and multiply by result per page, and because we have to set a offset to that page, therefore we doing that process, because if the second page we in, then we -1, then have result 1, and 1 multiplied by 5, then we have page result as 5, and we set that 5 as offset, offset 5, then next page is begin from 5th result. That's how we set page items. Then we have again our selected RS. That's mean in our this page we have that items, and that item we have to we have query and limit. We set a limit, and page result as we discussed about offset, and then we have our selected number, how many rows are there to display all item, and we set for loop, and we have set a for loop to maximum value as our selected number. That selected number we can present every product in our page. Then we have our card and row and call for. Then we have same thing we discuss about our uh, product weaving video. So then we have got all the one, and in that part we change uh, we have changed our pagination. In that pagination line, we have set that values by using those code. We have script if it is page number is less than or equal to 1, then that our anchor tag is anchor tag have that hash value. If it is not equal to 0, then we are set on click to our short process, our short function, and we set that value as our page number minus 1. That mean uh, uh, in we are in our previous button, therefore we minus 1 because we have to go back, therefore we set to go backward by using page number as minus 1. Then that short uh, function, short function, again we call that short function, and that value event, that event we pass from that short process, that short process page number, we send that page number to this function. Then this machine work, and we show the all item as our query. That's how we showed in this process, and we say we have shown all the other parts by using for loop, how many number of pages are there. We can see there are 5 pages. Then we showing that every page numbers by using this echo and selected one, if it is page number equal to y when loop is running, if that page number and loop number is equal, then that one is active one. We can see there the second one is active. Now third one, that process is have function by use this active class. Then we show other numbers and our boxes. Then if someone click that one, the again short function have function, then that machine goes to this page. That's how that one work. And next one. If it is page number is not page number is less than or equal to 1, then we have to change that one as a page number. Page number, number of page. If page number greater than or equal to that one, then no, we have to this one. Then we show that, and if it is not, again we add another number to page number. We can see if we click to that button, we have previous and next, and that's how we programmed our short process in our my products in our eShop. Thank you.